Hello guys, how are you? I bought these Bose headphones like 4 years ago. So I've been using it from last 4 years. Now it's ear pads get messed up. Everything is look very bad. So I was searching online what will be the best fix for this thing. So on Amazon I find these replacing pad for this one. So it's approximately like $14, but I think it's worth it for just to replace the ear pad and use this working headphone for a couple of more years, which is working fine. So when you order these pads, you will receive these two covers, this lint holder, then this one the tweezer to remove this part of the headphone. So let's start and replacing this thing to see after replacing all this thing how it's look like. So this one is not a sponsored video, so I am not promoting any brand. I just find these stuff from Amazon, so I just bought it and let's change. Normally you need this thing to just unclick that part of this earpiece, the pad, and after that you need to remove these things. If you want to clean this one with some alcohol or some rubbing alcohol or some cleaning wipe, you can do it. So I don't think so I need to do it. So the other side is also, normally you need this thing, but since mine is used very badly, so it's coming out without any issue. So this is left, this is right. So let's fix one first and then we'll go for another one. So this is the pad, it's gonna go like this way, and this one, and then this part is gonna be going on this thing. So we need to remove this stuff. So if you clean this thing, that's fine, but I will suggest not to mess with this, because I think this is the cables are coming supporting all this thing, so don't touch so many stuff. This is let's take this thing. I think you just need to push a little bit because you will hear a small click noise, and it means it's from the inside. So you can use this thing to push. And you check with hand that everything is properly settled. Seems like it's properly settled down here. So this part is, the right side is completely changed. Let's do the left side. I did it one by one, so it will be easier to remember which side is left side, which side is right side. But if you want, you can remove everything at once. You can do it. This one came out nicely. So if you think anything is stuck here or anything like small dust, you can use the blower to clean it. So this thing looks settled down, but you can just use your hand to see if you can see that there is any part of the holder is out. You can just do it. So guys, look like this $14 investment is not bad. This feels like approximately the new, and this is the old one which I removed from there, and it was very messed up. 4 years I've been using it, so I think this is like perfectly fine set with this thing. $14 and a headphone, even though it has some scratches and stuff, but still is working very good. The sound quality is still nice. So I'm gonna try this one, and then I'm gonna add that thing in my review as well. But this is $14 pad which can help to reuse your Bose headphone, which is nice. So this is another review video for the stuff. Let me know